Long time no see, welcome back. If you guys haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. Make sure to smash that like button. We can get the YouTube algorithm going. First and foremost, we're doing a stand-up paddleboard unboxing. That's why you clicked on the video, right? So let's get into it. This is how it comes straight out of the box. So it comes with user guide, how to register your board. That's kind of interesting, and a safety warning pamphlet. So as you can see, it looks like we're ready to go to the beach, but you're not. So some of these already come pre-packaged. The other one I had actually came in the bag. I actually took the bag right out of the box and I went out hiking that day. So a good thing to do, even when you're doing that though, is to make sure you get rid of all this plastic stuff. Don't just unbox it right out and take the bag out. Make sure you get all the plastic out. That way when you're up, wherever you're going, you actually get rid of all this extra plastic stuff and you don't end up littering wherever you end up going. For me, I was up in the mountains and I ended up packing all the extra plastic back with me, which is okay, but had it been windy or something and I was taking it apart, it could have been disastrous. So it comes with a pump. This is it. The paddle it comes with, it is extendable, so it has an extension right here. It also connects up with this, so you can adjust it for your height. It does have different settings on here as well, so you can find what's most comfortable for you. So that is a bonus. I do want to talk about the bag a little bit. It has padded shoulder straps, padded back, padded cummerbund, which is actually pretty nice because the other ones don't always come with those. A spot for identification tag, and the bag itself is pretty nice. It has drawstrings on it, or not drawstrings, but adjustable straps, so you can kind of cinch down the pack, because sometimes when you're carrying these it'll kind of shift. So with these you can kind of adjust the weight and strap it down. So the bag is honestly it's a lot nicer than the other ones I've actually used. I would highly recommend so far the ROC SUP. It definitely speaks to me and my personality. So let's just keep unboxing it and see where it goes. The pumps are made super lightweight. I would say super cheap and lightweight, which is a good thing for all of us. If you're packing or plan on packing it anywhere, say that 10 times fast. So you want to make sure you don't lose this O-ring. If you're out in the wilderness, you might, but you want to put that inside here as you go. That way you get a good connection. And you can see on here it gives you yellow, green, and red. I love this idea. It tells you, you don't want to exceed that pressure in your board, so that gives you a really good idea of where to go with it. I'm gonna put this in there so I don't lose it while I'm doing the video. And then it comes with this leash. What's cool about these leashes are they wrap into themselves after you attach it to the board, so that's something to look forward to in the user video that I'm gonna do. This is also, it rotates, which is good when it's attached to you. This won't get tangled up because of that little swivel on there. What is this? Ooh, a watertight bag. That's pretty cool. Put all your goodies on in here. Phone. This is actually a really cool accessory you can take on your paddleboard. I didn't even know that this came with it, but it's really cool. It says fold 3 to 5 times and then buckle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, buckle it. What's cool about this is you could take cameras, whatever, out onto the paddleboard, strap it onto the paddleboard. Even if it flips over, you wouldn't have to worry about any kind of damage happening to that. So that's a really good bonus. It does come with some insertable fins. Now the first time I went out, I didn't actually put the fins on the other board, and I was rocking and rolling everywhere. So little side note, these slide into your paddleboard, and then this clips. This is basically a safety pin. It just clips right into the fin, right into that hole, and it keeps it attached to the board. You pull it out and you want to pull the fin out. So this is actually kind of nice, the fact that I like the fact that it wasn't ready to go. The other one made it super misleading, and I just took it all up there and was ready too fast. So not always the best thing As you can tell, this would be a lot of extra garbage to take wherever you're going. So these are a little, this is actually kind of cool. I don't know if I would keep those or what, but probably not, just in case they don't blow away. But when you pack your bag, you want to make sure that these are away from you, away, like sticking up on the bag, not into your back. That's probably pretty apparent. But now a lot of the other board that I had didn't come with anything to fit in between the board when you fold it up, and I was kind of worried about it for a long time. I didn't want it sticking to itself, and you guys probably have those same concerns. This one comes with it right out of the bag. I don't know that this is necessary. It might be with this board, but with my other board, I've used it several times already and never had any problems. So keep that in mind. Yes, there's tons of garbage, tons of extra garbage. Garbage on the straps. I'm just gonna attach this to that other bag. That way I don't end up losing this. I'm gonna attach this to this. And if you want, attach this to your board. That way you don't lose it. But let's see if you guys ever wondering about my style. This could just be hung up in my house as art. I definitely love the style of this board. I'm gonna go try it out today. So let me know what you guys think about this review. What do you want to know, technical aspects of this? How do you want it to weight capacity? We're gonna go over all that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed and hit that notification bell, make sure you hit that notification bell. Then I can send you a direct link as soon as that other video is uploaded. I obviously need to get the lighting good for this room. So first time I'm doing a video in here, so stay tuned. Everything will get better. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon.